Don't skip a single step. Watch till the very end to unlock the 100% guaranteed fix.
1. Step-by-step fix, specific to Oblivion Remastered. 1. Step 1. Identify the mod causing DirectX 12 dependency. 2. Step 2. Remove or replace ENB reshade configs. 3. Step 3. Downgrade END or use DX9 compatible mods. Capital N. Step 4. Use the correct OBSE version. Step 5. Reset the INI files, specific to remastered mods. Step 6. Use a DirectX 9 wrapper, fallback option. Optional, advanced.